It's Friday, and you're looking forward to the weekend.
Hey Brian, I need to deploy 100 virtual machines from the application server template. Oh, and I need that guy in the business.
What are you going to do? You could fire up the vSphere client, click a little here, type a little there, and a short time later, you'll have a new VM. But you still got 99 more VMs to provision. Instead of the vSphere client, what if you used PowerCLI? Alternatively, you could use Orchestrator. If you want to learn more about Orchestrator, check out this video series. Whichever of these three tools you use, they all go through the same vSphere API. So whatever you do with the vSphere client, you can do in PowerCLI. But unlike the vSphere client, which is manual, PowerCLI allows you to automate your vSphere tasks. I wonder what kind of vSphere tasks we can automate. If you want to, you can use PowerCLI to create new VMs and have them configured exactly the way you want. Or you could clone VMs, or you could modify VM settings such as the number of CPUs, the amount of memory, the amount of disk space. You could power on VMs, you could power them off, you could reset them, you could shut them down. Or perhaps you'd like to automate snapshots. I know there's at least one of you out there that wants to automate snapshots, so you definitely hit the subscribe button. But for the rest of us, what else could you automate? Maybe you want to automate tasks related to your ESXi servers, or perhaps you want to manage tasks related to data stores, or networks, or this, or this, or this, or this, or this. There's tons of things that you can automate in your vSphere environment using PowerCLI. PowerCLI can automate your vSphere tasks, but it can do a whole lot more. Admit it, you're intrigued. You want to know more. Well, that's why I've created this video series. So go check out that video series and learn how you can automate vSphere and so much more.